Lazima sisi kama leaders of tomorrow, if not today, we have to embrace the decade of integrity. We have to stand with humility, and we do not want matusi. Chama changu cha Roots Party, I've instructed each and everyone there not to abuse Ruto, because Ruto is the president of this country. Not to abuse Raila, because Raila is equally the father of this country. Not to abuse Gachagua, because he's also playing a role. Not to abuse Matiang'i, because he could be my president tomorrow. We are fighting for the same thing. Kwa hivyo, we are embracing togetherness, we are embracing brotherhood, and to finish that now, I would like to appoint Professor Namwamba to come and read me. Because I just got my second doctorate, and my work has been qualified by the Congress of the United States Congressional Committee on Immigration and archived in Congress, the Library of Congress, as being one of the most academically informed human beings